your own world.
I like to drink with Craig because Craig is my mate, and when I drink with Craig he gets it down in 8, 7, 6.
It's pretty cold. Hang on, aim. The wheel's on the wrong side.
This really doesn't do it justice, but over there is the town and a mountain. We'll show you in the morning.
We can't be bothered to get a big camera out, but there's just snow everywhere. Just found that Airbnb, and listen to this sound.
Love it, mate. Like,
So
look at
cool.
that. And
Show
the
the
houses are still like lit up from Christmas, and there's snow everywhere. Oh my god!
We have to try and get these bags down the slope now without falling over. So this is our little Airbnb for 2 nights.
It's so cozy.
It is quite warm in here, which is nice because it's bloody freezing out there.
I can't wait to see the view in the morning.
I know.
Walk west towards Vinkelwegen.
Morning! So we've woken up, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're heading down to, where are we meeting them?
Some Scandic hotel of some sorts. Guys, we're going whale watching!
Just before you skip ahead, look at the state of this place. It's like a winter wonderland. So cool, man. This snow, and it's so deep as well. There's snow everywhere.
We've never been anywhere like this, have we?
Can you tell we're excited?
I know. I'm like not even functioning at this time of the morning, but I'm so excited for this. It's like just like a new experience for us, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Like we've done some whale watching in Iceland, but we've never seen any orcas, so that's the goal today.
It is actually snowing as well. It's so rude on me, Craig. I've only got 9 toenails and we have to walk down here.
It's unreal. Unbelievable. Riff raff. Wintry fairyland. Look how cool this is. That's the road. And they've got heated pavements in Tromso. So you don't have to worry if you bring in Nan, she won't fall over.
That's right, Craig.
Oh, if you've got an Amy banister.
Safe as houses, me.
Get your little spa bag.
Well, shut up. Okay, so we're on the coach. The reason that we got up so early, and I've got no weaving, is because they only get a few hours of sunlight here in Norway at this time. It's January. So we're leaving this early. The whales aren't in Tromso this year, they've gone north. So we have to drive like 3-4 hours north to see them. So yeah, it's an early start. Soz about the weave, lack of. Thank you. You look the absolute part. Ain't no bit of,
At me, bro.
no bit of cool getting in there.
I've even got goggles. You can't touch this.
You look like a marine biologist.
How excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I just can't believe we're here, Craig. I can't believe it. Look! Yes, it makes you want to cry. We've never been anywhere like this. So, about a 52 out of 10. So we're doing the tour with Green Gold of Norway. And we've got our tour guide Francisco, who's a legend already. And yeah, we've got a rib boat. So there's only a maximum of 12 that can go on it. So it's quite personal, I like that. But it's gonna be freezing.
Yeah, they're like, if you don't listen to our instructions, you will freeze.
You will
like,
freeze to death.
oh my god, we're gonna die.
So you make sure you listen, okay?
Goggles
or I might
in
be
it.
getting a flight home on my own, girl. Humpback.
There's loads of them.
Oh wow. Oh wow. They're so close. Oh my god. Goodness, Craig, can you just imagine what's happening? Oh my god.
So awesome. Oh wow. Saying hello.
I was like whistling for it to come over and it came over. It was listening to me.
And just like that, it's dark and we're back on land.
Honestly guys, like our footage probably doesn't even do it justice. You have to come here and you have to experience these things for yourself. I don't know how many times I tell you, I just can't believe it.
That was so cool, wasn't it?
I can't think of the words. Magical, majestic, like just epic scenes. Like we did the whale watching in Iceland, but the backdrop was nothing like here, was it?
No, it was mind-blowing.
Jaw-dropping,
It was just like ginormous snow-capped, well, snow-covered mountains. It was like, we must have seen about 30 orcas probably.
Oh, they were all in pods, all with their mates, like just chilling. Absolutely incredible. Like I'm happy we saw the orcas. Sorry, I'm so cold.
It's so cold. One tip that I would definitely give you is you can buy those heat packs where you take them out and you shake them. And you can put them in your gloves and they're lifesavers because I've got crap circulation. My hands would have literally fallen off if I didn't have them.
Yeah, but they give you those big boiler suits you've seen, but...
Yeah. So awesome.
And
we saw 2 humpbacks as well.
Right.
We were filming them for ages. Everyone was like, oh, ah. And then the little barnacle part, his head came up and Amy was like, humpback.
And everyone was like, yeah, we already knew that 20 minutes late.
I was like, babes, they've been humpbacks the whole time. So funny.
I was like, I know him. Just take your breath away if the whales weren't there, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's just added extra. Absolutely sensational.
10 out of 10. So we got back, we've undressed and we've had coffees and sarnies and now we're going to get back on the bus. And I think we're doing like the mad route where we're going bus, ferry, and we're going through little
Is that what's
towns
happening?
and stuff, yeah. So
okay, I hope we're able to see something because it's still quite light now. So really we only get sun between like 10 and 2.
yeah.
I have no idea what that says. Let's get on the bus. How much was your tea and coffee then, son?
We got 1 tea, 1 coffee, you know, like the proper shit stuff, and a bottle of Coke. 10 quid. So welcome to Norway.
Your standard £1.50, £2, you know, a bit of water and a tea bag. It's gross, yeah. £10 for that little bundle there.
What does that look like?
Be careful with your money, girl.
Okay, so we've been dropped back off into town. We're trying to walk home, but the pavements are like iced over now. Go home now, get some scran, because we're starving. And then we're going to layer up and we're going to come and explore the town tonight. Shoot some videos and have a look about. How do you feel, kids? You have a great day?
I need a wee.
Don't slip over, we haven't got any insurance. I warned Josh and Ash were talking shit about us, saying we've always got a messy room.
Yeah.
They were telling the truth. We just can't help ourselves, can we?
So I'm just gonna have a bit of my like £6 Coke. Because I've just had, you can do it cheap. We went to the supermarket yesterday and we got, what do you want to call it, Craig? You've been laughing at me. A cob or a bun? Bread roll.
Bap.
For like 25 knock, which is how much?
£2.
No. It's like 25p or something.
No, it's not. 25p would be 2.5.
2.5 knock, cheap as chips. And then I got some like ham stuff. It wasn't ham, tasted strange. There's herbs in there now. For 10 knock.
Cool story, bro.
And that was £1. So, you know, bread roll and that.
Alright, we're going back into town, you ready?
Yeah, I think I am now. I'm fully prepared.
You look like a snowboarder from the 20s.
I definitely can't snowboard, but I'm looking forward to seeing it because it looks really Christmassy. They've still got the lights on and there's a Christmas tree.
Nice Russian hat.
I got this for £1.50 in New Look.
I don't know if we're going to get in this car now, kid. It's pretty caked in snow. Where's the tripod?
Oh.
You had one job. She went back in to get the tripod and I was like, you didn't bring it, and she was like looking around for it, went to go back in on her shoulder. Honestly, you are mental. Hear that, Aim?
What?
Can you hear that?
Don't.
I'm not being funny, but Norway is basically Santa's house, innit? It doesn't get more magical than that. So this one's ours.
She's only been left for like 24 hours.
How do you get in?
No. Oh, nicely done.
Just sweeping the car like.
Just look at him cleaning the car. Doesn't know we're filming him. Thinking about what his life could have been. Without me, without King in it. He'd have had no job, living on the streets. You got it all, Craig. All because of me. So we've got our bums on. We've just realised.
Heated steering wheel, how good is that? I drove the whole way here yesterday and I was like, this steering wheel's so cold. Not knowing that there was a button to warm it up. Bloody brilliant.
Cool story, bro. Do you know what to do if we were to just go gliding down here now? Slam on your brakes.
No, never slam on your brakes in the snow. You're supposed to put the clutch in. Remember when we did our training?
Barely.
If you hit the ice, you're supposed to put your clutch in and turn into which way you're sliding.
Oh, thanks for the tip.
No
So
worries.
don't touch your brake at all?
No, because if you touch your brake, then your wheels are locked and you'll slide more, innit?
Oh, well, depends how much fun you want to have, doesn't it, really?
Christmas ain't over until we say it's over. We've come to the tree.
Oh, no!
You with your blanket.
Something about trees, snow and lights, that just makes it so magical, doesn't it? We're going to own one of these, 5 of these, when we build a house. We're going to put them in. No! We're going to own a Christmas tree farm, Craig, when we're older.
You're chopping them down then.
Do you fancy that? No, you give it to them and they chop their own down. It makes them feel special. I did it once, I was like, I want to do it!
It's really simple as well.
Classy, mate. The Norwegians, like the houses here, they're all built and they're smart. They're not like scatty houses, they're proper classy. So we're getting picked up in the morning by a UTV, and if you don't know what that is, it's like a big buggy on wheels. I'm pretty sure they're going to give us like snowsuits and everything, which is class.
So that is it for today's vlog. If you're brand spanking new, thanks for hanging around with us. And make sure you press subscribe and press the little bell so you get a notification when we upload a new video.
Yeah, that's right. And if you're not new, guys, and you've stuck with us from the beginning or since like last week, then thanks so much. We bloody love you. Always remember, I don't want to get my finger out. Roll your own world.
1, 2, 3, bye.